Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, this morning you join me as I'm just coming into Carnforth and I'm heading out to Farleton Knott along the A6. Not a big ride, about 8 miles, so a 16-mile round trip. Not a big one, but it's a lovely day for it, so I thought, why the hell not? Farleton Knott. I might do this one as a full ride because it won't take that long. I've got a spare battery, I've got my drone with me. It's a beautiful morning. Lots of good things happening on the channel. Now, as well as the like buttons and dislike buttons and all the rest of it, I now have a thanks button. So if you click on the thanks button, you can show your appreciation. You can help this channel grow. It's just like buy me a coffee. But if you really enjoy the video, check it out. It only came active yesterday, so nobody's used it yet. It's on all my videos now. Something that YouTube decided to give to me. Also, very soon, you'll be able to become a member of the channel. Which will entitle you to all sorts of perks. When I get around to switching it on, we get like private live streaming and just for members only videos. The stuff that I don't really want to share publicly, you know, the outtakes and stuff like that. So keep tuned in, don't go nowhere. Keep checking the videos. I'll let you know as anything happens. Anyway, back on with it. We're on the A6 now. Beautiful day. Heading to Farleton Knott. It's the big hill that you see down when you go down the M6 on your right hand side, for anybody who's not any idea where it is. If you're heading up towards Kendal, just before the turn off for Kendal, you'll see a big hill on the right hand side called Farleton Knott. There's a big quarry on the side of it, and that's where we're headed today. Like I say, I've got my drone, so I'll slap some footage on. You can have a look. Nice and quiet up here. Fairly quiet on the buy me a coffee front this week, so no shout outs, I'm afraid, but it's all good, it's all good. Well, my mate Frank said he'd buy me a coffee next time we see him, well, when we meet up sometime. He's going to buy me a coffee in person. Cheers, Frank. I'll hold you to that. To be honest, I'm not sure whether he watches these videos or not, but just in case, you know. Hey, we've got a bit of cycle path. It's a bit chilly. I think I've come out a bit early for this. But well, it's nice to cool down. It's going to get warm in a bit. That's the end of the cycle path. This is where you get wiped out now. I have noticed between, since they brought this new law out about people going wide around pedestrians and cyclists, people are giving me a wider berth on the road, which is good. You get the odd muppet who doesn't. Wow, that was wide. And he wasn't. Well, there you go. Grandaddy in the Morgan wasn't so bothered about leaving a gap, and the other guy went right across the road. Perhaps Grandad hasn't read his highway code recently. Maybe. Right, at this next roundabout, we go towards Burton and Kendal. Which is a lovely little village if you've never been. I just let the motor do a bit of work now. Oh, bit of poop. Here we go. It's Burton and Kendal. The 6070. 6070. Just had a thought. I've never been in Lakeland here. I wonder if I can get in and have a quick ride round this morning. See what it's like. I've done a few drone videos over here. It's shut, look. Oh, that's a shame. Twin Lakes. They're not going to let me in. Nope. Members only. That's a shame. We could have gone in there for a quick nip round, couldn't we? Ah, well, never mind. Onward and upward. Went past Greenland's farm up here. Great for the kids. You want to take your kids out? You got a little petting farm at the back. And nice little farm shop and cafe. I'll point it out as I go past. Oh, it's a bit rough. Going over the M6 now. Quick shot of the M6. Pretty quiet at the moment. Pretty quiet at the moment, so it's all good. Off we go again. The other side of there is Tuit Field. So, shall we? Yeah, why not? Let's bob along to Tuit Field. Let's see what the canal barges are up to at Tuit Field, eh? Oh. Nice little pub here, Longlands. And here we go into Tuit Field now. Makes it a bit more interesting, doesn't it? There we go. This is the end of the Lancaster Canal up at Tuit Field. Give you a look. This is just a dead end. It actually finishes there, Lancaster Canal. There is a few more locks further on, but that's as far as you can go from Lancaster up the canal. It stops here, so beautiful though. Brooklings. Right. If you're interested in canals, check out my earlier videos. I have actually done a full length Lancaster Canal from Lancaster to where it actually stops at Kendal, where you run out of canal and you run into fields, and the fields still have bridges and stuff there. Proper weird. And back on with it. Let's go back onto the 6070, and we're just coming up to Greenland now. Here it is, Greenland's Farm. Greenland's Farm Village, there you go. Check that out. Great for kids, take them up there, great for kids. They used to have a car boot on here, but I don't think they're bothering now. Used to be quite good. It's all sheep now. Off to Burton in Kendal now, and then you should actually see Farleton Knott then. 4 miles into it. Nice little ride though. Not sure where that is up there, but that looks very nice as well. Sun's out, birds are singing. What more can you ask for, hey? Oh. Yeah, it's beautiful. Just over halfway there now, believe it or not. So it's not a long ride, is it? 18 minutes, so this will be about a 3/4 of an hour video. If you can stay with me that long. Something just went right in my ear then. We're now in Cumbria. Yay, Cumbria, good old Cumbria. Let's do the Cumbria dance. Do, do, do. A lot of midges up here. Should have put my goggles on. Note to self, if riding in the country, put your goggles on. I think there's somebody in my flaming helmet wriggling around, it's itching. Like somebody's digging a hole in my head. So we're just going to have to go, just pull over here 1 second. While I just leave my hat. Oh yeah. There was some little midgie in there. Okay, we're good to go again. And we're off again. Heading up the road. So we can see if we can get anybody waving coming towards us, or would that be rather silly? I think that'd be rather silly, wouldn't it, because it might distract them. And I don't want anybody having a crash, especially into me. So we might just leave that. Do, do, do. Westmoreland now. Westmoreland, Cumbria. On the 6070, the A6070. $40 miles an hour along here, so I better be careful I don't get done for speeding. A bit of an incline, so just cock it down a gear there. And bluebells, bluebells. Lots of bluebells around actually. It's that time of year, isn't it? Bluebells. They may not be bluebells, so. Burton Candle, here we are. Burton Candle. Yearland, we don't want to go up there. Lovely little place this is, eh? Burton Kendal. And there it was gone. I don't think we've even got a chippy. They could have one hidden away somewhere. Oh, here we go. There's a bit more burning candle up here. I know there's a good butcher's up here. Behind that wall there, I think. Behind there. Oh no, it's up here, I think. I don't know, it's up here somewhere. Nice butcher's on the right hand side here. There it is. I think it's been sold. That's not good, is it? A lovely part of the world. Might buy myself a little cottage while I'm down here, eh? What do you reckon? Nice car there. Very patient waiting for me to get out of the way. Right in front of you now is Farleton Knott, which I think we take a right off this road somewhere. What speed are we doing now? 28. Better slow down a thou. Not sure where the right hand turn is, so maybe a bit of trial and error going on here. Yeah, we're still heading that way. 6.5 miles, so we're nearly there now. So the sun stays out so we can get some good drone shots up here. Sure whether this is it. This is the one. I knew I weren't far wrong. Right, we're on the right road now, and we're heading up the knot. About a mile up here, I think, mile and a half. Uphill. There's a ship in somebody's field there. A boat in a field. Not something you see every day, that is it? A boat in a field. Let me get in all this. If it's still recording. Yeah. A bit steeper now. Oh. Oh, listen it pull on that motor now. It's been nice up way down. Oh, dear. Oh, there we go. Flipping heck, how hard work. And again. Oh dear. Oh, I'm gonna need that coffee. And lots of thanks. Oh dear. Yeah, if you get a chance, check out the thanks button. I mean, you don't have to use it. Just click on it and have a look what it does. Oh dear. It took 7 years of producing videos to get that button. So, it better be worth it. It's you guys out there that have got me this far. So, I do appreciate every single like and every single comment. Taking time out, you know, to type a little message or a little thanks or a little story. You know, I used to go there as a kid, used to play in the woods, used to go with my grandma for picnics there. All that, it all adds to the video. It makes me feel good. Right, I think we'll come after the out to these woods up here in a short time. Oh. Come on. God, it's all uphill, isn't it? I mean, I worked at the top of Farleton Knott, so you don't expect a couple of hills. I've recorded up here before. I'll put a link at the end of the video to a video I did on lockdown, I think it was, either last year or the year before. Up here, a really nice day like this as well. I did a drone flight over it. Birdies tweeting away. I need a drink of water when I get up here. I'm glad I packed one. RC, remote control. Oh, that's that. Robbie Coltrane, you think? Could live up here, couldn't he? Sun's gone in now, would you believe? All the way up to the top of here and the sun's gone in. 8.5 miles. 35 minutes. Oh yeah, there's a little car park up here. Sometimes you have chicken eggs you can buy up here. Little honesty box. Just so happens I've got some change as well. Wow, this is a steep hill now. Wow, big hill. I'll have legs like tree trunks when I get up here. I will tomorrow anyway. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Thank God for electric help. You can see the car park there, where the car is. Oh dear. Oh, I tell you. Cheers. Pardon me. There's some info, look. That's it. That's the end of the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked the footage of the quarry and Farleton Knott there. Don't forget, before you leave, click that like button and make sure you subscribe and click on the little bell at the end of the subscribe button there, so you'll be notified when I'm uploading videos. If you really liked it, not only can you buy me a coffee, but if you click on the thanks at the side of the like button, you can show your appreciation that way as well. That's a new feature and nobody's tried it yet. Be the first to click that button. And from now, for now, from the side of Farleton Knott, I'll say I'll catch you later and I'll catch you on the next video. Ta-da! Hi, hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on the like button before you go, and if you really enjoyed it, you can now click on the thanks button below, which is a new feature. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.